My name is Brittini. I was the first person in Texas to receive the 3-on-6 dental implants here at Friendswood Dental Group. I had been in the dentist chair since I had been probably about 13 years old. Removing teeth, if I got a little bit of a cavity, it would carry to another tooth. I had my son. That really put a hurting on my teeth when I had my first son. And then I just started having to get them removed, especially my back teeth. Those caries started coming into my front teeth. At that point, I had gotten all of my teeth crowned, and that lasted about 5 years before those started breaking off at the root of my gums. I was terrified. I was mortified. I actually was gluing my teeth in with Fixodent just to work. And I work in the beauty industry. I am an esthetician. So it was some pretty rough times. I saw a definite decrease in my confidence, and not just that, eating. I couldn't eat anything. I would have to secretly pull that tooth out or not eat at all. Pull that tooth out to actually eat because I didn't want to swallow it because I needed it. I needed it to go to work the next day and to move forward. I decided to get the 3-on-6 treatment due to the longevity of it, and they look magnificent when they're done. And the functionality of them are like real teeth. Now I just smile, I eat everything. People ask me, oh my gosh, how do you get your teeth so white? And I can't lie, so I just tell them they're all dental implants. And I'm proud of that because this is a blessing. It's a blessing to have these in my mouth and to be confident in the functionality of them. It is an investment in the quality of life. I'm healthier, I feel good, I look good. I would recommend Dr. Sierra and Friendswood Dental Group because they are top of the line. His experience is impeccable, his equipment is state of the art, and his staff and him are a team, and they work to get you the smile that you need.